Hey guys, it's Wendy here with Wendy's Plans, and today I am going to be setting up my November page. But guys, I absolutely love this girl, and I think what I am going to do is I am going to do two pages, and I am going to put her here. I may even use this one up at the top. And I think I'm going to use this as a recap of last month. Or I may write some stuff about November. I'm gonna white out this October recap, and I think I'm gonna white that out, and then I'll decide later how I'm gonna use it, and I may just leave it as a decorated page. Who knows? But these were so pretty. I just had to have them on this page. So we are going to start with, and this is all from Graceful Muse Paperie. So I always do my this beautiful monthly calendar here, and I do the 11th chapter here, and that's what we do. Alrighty, so I think I want to start with chapter 11. I love how that work looks right there. And I could leave November. I think I'm going to leave November, but I do want to white that out. Now, down here, I want to put my calendar. You have to be careful pulling this one off because it is so delicately cut around all of these floral pieces. Because you don't want to tear off a leaf or a bloom. There we go. I just think this sticker is the prettiest thing. I absolutely love it. And each month I look forward to putting it there. Now, I don't think I'm going to use anything else from here right now. I will use it later, but that's going to go in. But I think right now I want to put this girl down because she is just amazing. And like the calendar, you really have to be careful because there's such delicate cutting um, on some of these stickers. He is so pretty. And I do want to do this one. This one's very delicate because all of these little um, stems that has already lost their leaves, they're each one of them are individually cut out. Once you start getting it to come up, they usually release really easily. But it is just that starting of getting it. I just think that is so pretty. I would love to do that one, but I think that's too much. It doesn't give me enough room to write. So I think I'm going to hold off on that. But guys, look at that. I think I'm going to hold it. I think that's perfect right there. Now we're going to turn it this way, and I am going to put my vellum in here. What I tried to do, and sometimes I don't tell you what I'm using, but this is just Scotch tape. It's just regular magic tape is what they used to call it. I don't know what it's called now, but it's just the regular that frosted look tape from Scotch. I get the generic or the store brand, and that's all it is. And what you really want to be the most careful about is that you tuck it into the crease of your planner as far in there as you can get it. And that way it acts as a page. So let's turn this back around so you can see it. So this is going to be, I think I'm going to use it as a month in review, or maybe just some memories, that kind of thing of, and I'm thinking I'm going to do memories of November there. And then I have my vellum, which is a frosted vellum. This is a very good quality vellum. It is very thick vellum is what I'm trying to say. And then it's got winter, even in the coldest season, beauty quietly blooms. And I love that. And so when you get this into the crease real well and you put that back piece of tape on there, it allows this to flow and turn very easily. And then this is just letting me know I'm starting into November. And I like the look of this underneath the vellum. You can see through it just a little bit. It's hard to see on camera the 11 showing through, but it does. And you just get that hint of what's behind that vellum. Guys, I love doing these pages, especially with the um, Graceful Muse Paperie. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a snowflake down below. And until next time, guys, bye bye.